What's up, y'all? It's Carrie with Beginner Dance Tutorials, and today we're gonna learn a very short disco-inspired dance to September by Earth, Wind, Fire. And it's September when I'm recording this, and it's also one of the best songs of all time. And I don't even really need an excuse to teach you a dance, right? It's just fun. So if you wanna stand up and you wanna try it with me, let's do it. All right, we're gonna start with our disco hands, disco arms. You're gonna point your right arm up and your left arm down, and I'm gonna turn a little bit to the right. And that's gonna go 1, hold 2, then you're gonna switch to the left and then back to the right on 3, 4. So the first one's gonna get 2 counts. 1, hold 2, switch. 3, switch, 4. And then you're gonna go the other way. You're gonna go left for 2 counts. 5, hold 6, switch. 7, switch, 8. Yeah, so right arm up first. 5, 6, 7, right arm goes 1, hold 2, switch. 3, switch, 4, then 5, hold 6, switch. 7, switch, 8. Again, 5, 6, right arm goes up on 1, hold 2, then 3, 4, and 5, hold 6, 7, 8. Very nice. From here, you're gonna step on your right, and then you're gonna take your left heel forward, and then you're gonna step on your left, take your right heel forward. So we're going right, left, left, right. Again, right, left, left, right. Arms, you're gonna cross at your wrist, and then you're gonna pull them back. So we're gonna go cross, pull. So as you step to the right, you're gonna cross, and as you hit your heel forward, you're gonna pull your arms back. Step and cross, pull your arms back. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, step, pull, step, pull. Again, step, pull, step, pull. From here, you're gonna step again to the right. This time you're gonna touch your left foot back. Then you're gonna step to your left, touch your right foot back. So we're going right, touch left, left, touch right. It's the same idea, but we're just taking that foot behind. Arms, these are fun. When you step to the right, you're gonna reach your left arm up, and then you're gonna throw it down as your left foot goes back. Then as you step to the left, you're gonna reach your right arm up, so the opposite arm, and then you're gonna throw it down. Opposite arm reaches up. So step to the right, reach to the left, and throw. Step to the left, reach to the right, and throw. Again, step, watch your disco ball. Step, throw, step, throw. Or you can think reach, throw it away, reach, throw it away. If you're feeling really fancy, as you bring the arm down, you can spin it or circle it down. So you're gonna reach, and then it circles down, but it's very fast. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a nice quick spin if you wanna throw that in. It's a nice quick spin if you wanna throw it in. Thanks for being here. Okay, so from the top of this 8 count, you're going 1, 2, 3, 4, then you reach 5, throw 6, 7, throw 8. Again, so you're gonna start cross and pull those arms back really slow. 5, 6, step on your right. We go 1, pull 2, then 3, pull 4. Reach your left. 5, throw 6, 7, throw 8. My right arm wants to do 100 circles. Try it again. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1, 2, 3. Left arm goes up. Reach, throw, reach, throw. 5, 6, step and heel goes 1, 2, 3. Reach and throw. 5, 6, 7, 8. Great job. Let's go back and put these first 2 8 counts together. Remember, if you're moving, you're doing it right. So we're gonna, it doesn't matter what it looks like. We're gonna reach up. 5, 6, 7, right arm up. 1, hold 2, then we switch, switch, then up. 6, 7, step and heel. 1, pull 2, 3, pull 4, reach and throw. 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do it one more time, a little bit faster. Right arm up. 5, 6, 7, right arm goes 1, hold 2, switch. 3, 4, then 5, hold 6, 7, reach and pull. 1, 2, 3, reach and throw. 5, 6, 7, 8. Great job. We're halfway done and you're doing amazing. Even if you're just laying in bed watching it. I'm proud of you because good job for being you and being a human and making it through your day. Okay, here we go. So you just finished, you threw this hand away, right foot's free. We're gonna do step to the right, step to the left, and then 1, 2, 3 steps to the right. So you're going right, left, right, left, right, and then we're gonna do that pattern, but lead with the left. Left, right, left, right, left. This is helpful if you keep the heels up and stay on the balls of your feet if you can. So we're going right, left, right, left, right, then left, right. If you like counts, it's 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. You're gonna take your arms and we're just gonna do whatever this is to the side. So when you go to the right, you take your right arm forward, left arm kind of goes back a little, and then you switch them, and then you switch it to the right. It's a little Bee Gees, 70s, but also like Zumba. So we're going again, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Try it. 5, 6, step on your right foot, right, left, right, left, right, then left, right, left, right, left. From here, you're gonna do it one more time, different arms though, but your feet are gonna be the same. Right, left, right, left, right. We're gonna get these little disco rolling arms. So you're just rolling them. I'm going forward. If you like to go back, it doesn't matter. Whatever you wanna do. You're gonna go 1, 2, 3, and 4. So it's the exact same footwork. Right, left, right, left, right. We're just switching the arms up. Here we go. 5, 6, just the rolly arms go right, left, right, left, right. From here, I'm going to turn around myself. I'm just taking my hands up like this and I'm walking around left, right, left, right. Yeah? You can dance around. You're just stepping left, right, left, right. So you did right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left together. And you're done. You're done. That's it. So let's try all of these. So we're going to do 2 times through with these arms, and then we're going to go to the circle arms really slow. 5, 6, step on your right. We go 1, 2, 3, and now we go left, right. We're going to do it one more time. Circle the arms. 2, 3, walk around yourself. 5, 6, 7, 8. Pose. Very, very nice. Of course, it's faster, so let's try a little faster. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, step on your right. You can do it. 2, 3, now you step left. 5, 6, one more time. 1, 2, then you turn around yourself. You're doing an awesome job. Let's go back to the top. So we're gonna walk through really slow from that right arm going up. Point those fingers. 5, 6, 7, right arm up for 2 counts. 2, then we switch, switch, then 5, hold, 6, 7, reach and pull to the front. Now we reach and throw to the side. Reach, throw. Now we do that single, single, right, left, right, left, right, left foot, same thing. Change the arms, circle, go around yourself. 5, 6, 7, 8, yeah. Let's walk it through again, maybe a little bit faster. 1, hold, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right arm up. 1, hold, 2, 3, then left arm. 5, 6, 7, reach and pull. 2, 3, reach and throw. 5, 6, 7, then we single. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Change the arms. Around, left, right, left, right. Yeah. Let's do it one more time, a little faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ready? 5, 6, you got it. 5, 6, reach your right arm. 1, 2, 3, then 5, 6, reach and pull. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, single, single, right, left, right. Arms change. 1, 2, 3, around, left, right, left, right. One more thing, if you like to fill up a whole song like you would in a line dance, you can actually do that with this. So after you do 1, 2, 3, 4, you're gonna turn to your left, 5, 6, 7, 8, and now you're gonna face the right wall. So the right wall from where we started, and then you'll do it over. 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. So you can do the whole thing. 6, 7, 8, single, single, right, left, right. Then you'll go 1, 2, 3, 4. You turn to your left, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now you're facing your third wall, which is the back wall. So we went 1, 2, 3, and this will be 4, and then you'll just repeat it till the end of the song. Yeah, have fun with that. Fantastic job today. If you're watching this on YouTube and you're like, where's the music? It's gonna be in a separate video. They're always separate here on YouTube. One video with the tutorial, one video with the dance with music. It's for copyright reasons. So if you wanna see what it looks like with music, if you wanna practice it with music, you can check that out. It's linked down in the description below. It's also gonna be up here in this card. So go check out this little dance with music. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed this, if you want to see more tutorials like this in the future, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And remember that 5 or 10 minutes of moving is still beneficial for your body. You don't have to fill up a song. You don't have to do 30 minutes or an hour of dancing. 5 or 10 minutes here or there is still so good for you. It gets you up, moving, endorphins going. Hopefully it gets you feeling good. And I hope that you stood up and tried this today and that you're proud of yourself for doing so. And if you didn't get any of the steps, it doesn't matter. If you were up and you were moving, then you were doing it right. Thank you again for joining me. I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day, and I look forward to seeing you in a future tutorial. Bye, y'all.